Meru County Chief Executive in charge of Youth and Gender, Lenankerote Kairanya, while distributing the food supplies and face masks to persons with disability in Tigania East and Tigania West, said the group remains the most affected by the coronavirus pandemic. Kairanya calling for concerted efforts to cushion vulnerable populations from the adverse effects of the virus.
Hii ndio group ya kwanza. Serikali ya county inashughulikia mlemavu mahali yako. Tutatembea mahali mbalimbali kukiwa na uwezekano, na tukipata chakula mingi tutaweza kushughulikia kila mlemavu kwa hii county.
Elsewhere, artisanal miners from Osiri Matanda in Migori County have upscaled their surveillance along the porous borders with Tanzania in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. According to Osiri Matanda Mining Community Secretary Samson Onyango, they have already taken 40 foreigners into quarantine for sneaking into the mining pits through illegal means.
Changamoto yenye tumepata sana hapa ni changamoto kama ya njaa, ya ugonjwa, kwa sababu mahali watu walikuwa wanategemea mbeleni huko iliweza kufungwa.
Meanwhile, the Kenya Medical Training College has offered 2 critical care nurses and 2 vehicles to Isiolo County in an effort to ease human resource and logistical challenges experienced in the vast county. The development coming even as the county administration steps up preparations in anticipation of more COVID-positive cases.
Na wao watatusaidia wakati wako hapa mgonjwa ya ICU akikuja, wao watatuhudumia. Lakini sio kuhudumia peke yake, wataacha hiyo ujuzi na sisi. Watafundisha watu wetu ili sasa tuwe na ICU nurses ambaye watakuwa na ujuzi ya kutosha ya kuweza kuhakikisha hizo mashini tumeleta iko watu wanajua vile ya kutumia. Baada ya kuondoka sisi wenyewe tutakuwa na ujuzi ya kutosha.
Elsewhere, over 200 health workers at Thika Level 5 Hospital in Kiambu County have received flowers as appreciation and to encourage them as they continue to offer medical services during the COVID-19 pandemic season. In the initiative dubbed Flowers of Hope campaign, a partnership of the Kenya Flower Council and Rotary International, doctors, nurses and subordinate staff received flowers accompanied by messages of goodwill.
So this initiative, which we are calling Flowers of Hope, is really to come and appreciate our health workers who are very selfless and are courageous enough to continue offering the best that they can, even amidst all the risk that we know they are faced with.
And more than 20 people have been arrested by police officers in Samburu Central Sub-County during a crackdown to ensure government directives against coronavirus are adhered to. County Commander Alex Rotich says the suspects were arrested for not wearing masks. They all pleaded guilty to the offense of not wearing masks before Maralal Principal Magistrate Richard Koech, where they were released on a court's pardon.
And hii operation ya kuhakikisha watu wafae face mask itaendelea mpaka tuhakikishe kila mtu inafuata hiyo sheria na keep social distance.
Finally, the Jubilee Holdings has donated 10,000 masks to the National Police Service Commission. According to the Commission's Vice Chair, Dr. Alice Otwala, the masks will be issued to police officers working on the front line.
For those officers who are in the immediate areas of exposure, we will continue to distribute them to officers as the process goes on.
The police are in the law enforcement wing of dealing with this COVID challenge. They are there at the roadblocks to make sure that the law is enforced. They are there to do contact tracing, and so therefore there's a lot of exposure into potential people who are already infected. As you know, this is a very contagious disease, and if we don't protect those in the front lines, then our capacity to deal with the challenge becomes severely compromised.
Beatrice Getonyeng-Etich, Channel 1 News.